Guys, we're at McDonald's here. Look how we got. We got G-Men. As you can see, the face are the same. Can't see me. Now I am eating fries. It's good. How did they, Mommy, how did they put this so yummy? They fried it? Okay. I like McDonald's. So I missed that. I missed the Jollibee, but I like McDonald's because there's many toys here. I got G-Men here. But there was 2 G-Men that I got. Those G-Men for Mommy, and now I'll get Soga and G-Men to be my toys. So this toy looks very cool. But the card of G-Men, I'll show you at the end of the video after drinking the Coke and eating. Oh wow! We got mac and gravy. Tastes so good, look at it. Wait till the end. The car, look at it. Does it look cool? I got this car looks very cool. Now it's G-Men. Bye. To see more videos. Bye. See